First, open Google. Search Pacdora. Open the first website. Click on Mockups. Search sheet mask. Choose this mockup. Now, click on Upload. We need 160mm by 120mm canvas design. After this, go to Google. Open Canva. Click on Custom Size. Change units to millimeters. Put 120 by 160 size. Click on Create New Design. Go to File, then on Settings. Click Rulers and Guide to enable it. Now, we will create 20mm width margin at top, 10mm width margin to remaining sides. Select the background, go to Color, choose Gradient. Change both colors. Choose Circular Gradient. Go to Elements. Take a square shape. Change its color to white. Adjust its size. Now, we will add this girl image. Adjust its size and position. Go to Elements and search Pomegranate. Go to Photos. Add this image. Click on Edit, then Filter. Choose Astro Filter Effect. Now search Pomegranate Seeds. Add this image. Place it on bottom. Send it to back. Reduce its transparency to 25. Next, search Piece of Pomegranate. Go to Photos. Add this one. Click on Edit, then Magic Grab. Adjust brush size. Brush all seeds. Click on Grab. Now, place these seeds all sides of canvas. After this, add seeds again. Click on Edit, then Magic Grab. Grab some seeds. Place it on different position. Go to Elements and search Water Splash. Go to Graphics. Add this splash. Place it on pomegranate. Click on Edit, then Duotone. Choose Classic. Now, search Water Fizzing Bubbles. Go to Graphics. Add this bubble element. Adjust its position. Reduce its transparency to 30. Go to Position and send it to back. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type your text. Go to Font. Search Aileron. Choose Aileron Black Font. Change font size to 25 pixels. Make it uppercase. Adjust its position. Set letter spacing to 80. Change its color. Add next heading text. Choose Aileron Bold Font. Choose font size to 20. Set letter spacing to 0. Change its color. Now we will add our remaining texts also. Take a new blank page. Now we will add all necessary texts and informations in this backside. After this, go to Elements and search Sheet Mask icon. Go to Graphics. Add this mask element. Change its color to white. Now search Time Management Solid icon. Add this icon. Change its color to white. Next, search Face Massage. Add this one. Change its color to white. Now add texts for them. Go to Elements. Add a square shape. Add this below the text. Change its color to white. Add texts on it. Add remaining texts. Last, we will add QR code. Our design is ready. Download both designs in PNG format. Return to Pacdora. Click on Upload. Upload both images. Add and adjust them on die line. Click on Save. Click on Background. Choose any gradient. We will set Radial Gradient. Adjust its color. In this way, you can create 3D mock-up of packaging with background using Pacdora. You can also download different products preview video to promote your product on social. To get all these versatile features, explore Pacdora by using given link in description and get special discount. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.